trading psychology session. It's more of a rundown on everything. So, you know, trading psychology, man, is your mindset. Like I've said many times, a lot of what happens outside the market is gonna depict on how you react when the market is open. That's why it's very important to live a healthy lifestyle. Especially if this is the type of industry or type of work that you're trying to do. And just period, you should just be a good person. Period. There's no reason to be a bad person. It just takes so much more work to be bad than just a good person. But yeah, man, mindset is a big thing. You can't go into the market all damaged. You can't go in right before a fight when say you had an argument with your wife or something. You can't jump into the market unless you're a really good at calming yourself down and maybe deep meditation. But for me, if there's something big or dramatic that happens to me right before the market, I'm gonna step away because I know I'm not gonna be thinking with a clear mindset, and that's just me period because I'll start getting sidetracked and I'll start thinking about the argument or start thinking about what happened, and my decisions just become kind of dazed at that moment. So nice. You open. Okay, nice. Yeah, so keep that into mind. Also, another big thing for your families. More for your families than more for yourself. Same thing as far as in the market. You kind of gotta just leave what happens in the market because we have no control over it. You gotta think of it in probabilities and numbers. It's just a percentage game, and that's how you gotta think. So you can't have no emotional baggage, no emotional bias. It's hard, I know, but over time, with techniques and small guidance, it's done gradually. Um, you know, I know a lot of you guys know, or if not all of you guys know that trading is not easy. There's a lot that goes into it. It's not just the charts. The charts is a big thing, but there's a lot more things that go into trading if you want to be successful and if you want to do this at on a serious and professional level. Trading plan, right mindset plus risk management. Very true, right? So a lot of people have some of these. A lot of people have all of this. Some people have some of these. You know what I mean? To be balanced, you need to have trading plan. You have to have the correct mindset. You have to have risk management, and with all that, it's trading psychology as well. So uh, like I said yesterday, right? If you're here trading, right, and you're trying to trade for a phone bill, or if you're trying to trade to pay a bill, or if you're trying to trade to pay your rent or something like that, that's gonna be the wrong mindset. To trade. Very wrong mindset. And you're gonna more than likely put yourself in a hole unless you're a really advanced technician. So you almost gotta like trick your brain and your mind into thinking it's not real, man. I know it's crazy to say, but you almost have to have no bias, no emotional baggage, anything connected to it. And you gotta think in probabilities. And if you think in probabilities and statistics and percentages, you won't carry that emotion with you outside the market. So you have a bad day, man. If you're some people take that out on the outside on their family, and your family does not deserve that. So keep that in mind too, right? Keep that in mind. We have no control of the outcome. We never have any control of any outcome, and it's all in probabilities. And if you have the correct setup, the probabilities are in your favor. If you wait for the correct confluencing factors, your probabilities are more in your favor. So just because you have so many things in check doesn't mean it's 100%. There's no 100%. Just the probabilities are a little bit better in your favor. That's the only difference. And if you can train your mind to think like that, and that's step one. Step two is learning how to lose. You have to be comfortable with losing. Losing is a big part. You lose every day. Every day. I don't care what anybody says. You're losing every day. And if you're an active trader and you trade more than one or two trades, you are losing actively every day. But just like how you can finesse the chart and pull your profits from it, same thing with losing. You can finesse your way to lose less because you're such a good loser. Um, Figure out how to lose. The same way you're figuring out how to take profits, figure out the same way to lose. You should have figured that way out first before you figured out how to take profits. Because like I said, anytime you get into a position, you need three exits. One when it goes against you, and that's when you become the best loser. And then two, your first TP and your second TP, and then those move. As the price goes down and the trend continues in favor, your TPs move and your stop loss moves too. But everything moves up; it never moves back. It never moves against you. It's always moving in your favor, so you're always winning. um, yeah, mindset. That's the biggest one. When you're going into the market, that's why I hold this routine. This is why I hold this routine. And I've had lots and lots of not arguments, but heated discussions with my wife, right? Because I don't like to talk or say anything for like an hour. For the first hour that I'm awake, I don't like to speak any words. I just want to sit there and kind of think. And then after an hour or so goes by, then I'll start talking. And even after 15 years, no, more than 15 years, I've been with her since man, 17 years. For 17, even after 17 years, it's so hard for her to understand that. You know what I mean? And this is not something that just happened overnight. This is something that I've been doing for a long time. So yeah, man, mindset is a big thing. I think one of the reasons I'm able to excel at the level that I excel at is because of my mindset, is because of how I prep myself. And the way I prep myself, it goes all into psychology, man. Just like I told you guys, I do all those things, and when I'm done, I'm a champion because I completed so much already before the market even opens. And that's a psychological boost right there. You know what I mean? It gives you that extra confidence. It gives you confirmation. It gives you feel good, man. You feel good, and the chemicals that gives you that psychological edge, they're going off, man. And then everything you do just so much enhances it. You know what I mean? Good vibes, good energy, grounding. Sun, eating correctly, just it's all combinations, And the more that you, we'll call this a salad bowl, right? Our trading lifestyle technique, whatever you want to call it. The more that you mix up the salad bowl, the more different types of fruits and vegetables you put into the salad, the better it is, man. So, at least for me, you know what I mean? That's what I found out. You have to have a steady routine that you follow. You have to journal. You have to have the correct mindset. You have to have risk management. You have to have, guidance. You have to have your levels. You have to have your journal. It's so much. And for someone to go there and say this